Indiana's COVID numbers have skyrocketed overnight. Good evening and thanks for joining us on the Night Team. I'm Paulina Butska. The state is now reporting 8,451 cases and 25 deaths in just one day. It's the highest amount the state has ever reported. Mayor Mike Moore of Jeffersonville sat down with me to talk about the restrictions that are starting tomorrow, all while telling us to stay vigilant now and how that means less of an economic impact later. With numbers we haven't seen since the start of the pandemic, Indiana is reporting 8,451 cases in just one day. Starting Sunday, November 15th, Governor Eric Holcomb is calling for a rollback of the loosened restrictions Indiana has seen. Mayor Mike Moore of Jeffersonville says he believes the governor is doing a good job, but he has some concerns.
I'd say we're at a point now where if we don't get a handle and control on this, December, January, and February are going to be brutal.
Restrictions will include social distancing and wearing a mask, as well as enforcing that businesses post signs saying masks are required. The governor is also asking for a limit or a total stop of visits to long-term care facilities. Counties in orange will not be allowed to congregate of more than 50 people, while red counties will need to limit to 25 people a gathering. Larger crowds will need approval from the health department. But it's the limiting of bars, nightclubs, and restaurants that some fear will weaken the economy again.
My number one goal as mayor is to keep people safe. And, right behind that is to continue the economy going strong. Unfortunately, when the economy goes south and restaurants start feeling the pinch, a lot of the resources we use to put police officers out on the streets to keep things in order, sometimes that becomes a challenge because you need the successful businesses in order to provide the public safety.
Already in Indiana, hospitals are filling up. Retired healthcare workers are being asked to come back and help with shortages of staff or simply a relief in staff.
There is concern of a surge that we haven't seen yet, but maybe here a month from now. We're getting close to the point to where the availability of beds may not be there a month or two from now.
He's encouraging Hoosiers to do their part and help stop the spread.